these grips to anybody.
Alright, I'm going to do a little bike check. I've got the DK Sigma bars, 8.5 rise, 28 wide, gold snafu bar ends, ODI long necks, the Shadow stem with a stolen Vortex head cap. I got the Shadow head bolts on the side, Animal headset, Primo Strand forks, Shadow orbit rims or Obis rims, whatever it's called. Shadow Raptor hub with the DK Fly Rubin tire. DK team frame. Animal pedals. Got the premium cranks. The Season sprocket. Ghetto chain I bought from the skate park today because mine snapped. E-clat seat. Animal seat clamp. I've got the Shadow bolts with the Alienation chrome rim, the Shadow V2 rant hub, loud. Got the bullets. I'm riding a Walmart tire on the back because I popped my tire, and it's my bike check. So, yep.